Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Elliott, aka Apartment Bartender. This is my apartment. This is where I brain dump all of my cocktail recipes and do the majority of my recipe development. I love it because this island here feels like a bar top. So what I'm gonna show you is how to make 3 really easy cocktails with 1 syrup. Tiki helps transport you to a more tropical place, especially during the colder months of the year. So we're gonna go ahead and build, starting with bitters first. It's always a good idea when you're making a cocktail to build with the cheapest ingredients first, so that if you make any sort of mistake, you can go ahead and dump that out. It's not a bad thing to want to get some oohs and ahs. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. I took a lime, half of a lime, I juiced it, and it hollows out the center. So go ahead and put a sugar cube on it. So we're gonna go ahead and pour some overproof rum and just go ahead and light that. They're gonna take the cinnamon and you just sprinkle it on the top. You're really gonna taste those winter spices in this cocktail, which is why I'm a big fan of it. I do recommend using a bourbon or an aged spirit just because it adds a lot more backbone to that cocktail and it's just gonna give it the punch you're looking for. Around the holidays, it's really important to take the consideration that not everybody is going to be partaking in alcohol, but they still want to have an amazing drink. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the spiced blueberry syrup. Now what I like about this cocktail is it has a lot of really awesome flavors. Orange juice, lime juice, ginger, mint, and these are all things that just naturally mesh together. And that's what you want when you're making non-alcoholic cocktails. Cheers, guys.